There are two types of thalassemia. There are two types of thalassemia according to which globin chain is affected. The hemoglobin consists of two alpha chains and two beta chains. The thalassemia is of two types according to which globin chain is affected. Alpha thalassemia means synthesis of alpha chain is affected. The synthesis of alpha chains is affected. Alpha thalassemia involves two genes, HPA1, HPA2, present on the 16th chromosome from each parent. The main cause of alpha thalassemia is deletion or mutation of one or more of the four genes, because alpha chains are encoded by four loci or four genes, HPA1, HPA2 on one chromosome from the mother, HPA1, HPA2 gene on the other chromosome, other 16th chromosome inherited from the father. So there are four genes which synthesize alpha chains. So alpha thalassemia means synthesis of alpha chain is affected because of deletion or mutation of one or more of the four genes on the 16th chromosome. The more genes affected, the less alpha chains are produced. The more genes affected, the less alpha globin chains are produced. As a result, there are too few alpha globin chains. There are too less alpha chains. The synthesis of alpha chain is significantly reduced. On the other hand, an excess of beta chain occurs. The synthesis of alpha chain is reduced, but there is an excess of beta chain. Beta chains become excessive. There is an excess of beta chains in the adult, and there is an excess of gamma chains in the newborn. The excess beta chains form unstable tetramers called hemoglobin H. The excess beta chains form unstable tetramers called hemoglobin H or HPH of four beta chains. These tetramers have an abnormal oxygen dissociation curve. So this is about alpha thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia means there is too few alpha chains due to mutation or deletion of one or more of the four genes. On the other hand, there is an excess of beta chains who form unstable tetramer HPH that have abnormal oxygen dissociation curve.